Hey guys and girls, well I'm just doing a little bit of a video log of this vehicle of mine. We just had a bit of having a bit of fun at the moment. It's got a horrific oil leak and I'm pretty sure it's because the top rocker cover was dead, the gasket. So that's that. I've got a new one ready to go on. I'm going to clean all the old one up. Before I did that, I wanted to see how the cam and everything looked underneath it, which is incredible. I thought this thing would be sludged up to high hell because of the you know, the engine oil never been changed for 16 years pretty much. So yeah, I thought it'd be really bad, but it's actually pretty good. It's a bit varnished under there, but other than that, it's quite well actually. The new oil change I gave to it, I think, has helped out a lot. And the lots of long runs I've been given the thing, so that's cool. Yeah, there's water everywhere. That's because I'm trying to fix the heater matrix, which was considerably blocked. For instance, that blocked that we took the pipe off because we're lazy and we don't want to have to take all the bumpers and stuff off this thing to get access to the bottom radiator hose. We've we being me and my brother, or my brother and I, if you want to be professional. This is the pipe which feeds the heater matrix, this one right here. It normally plugs into the back of the block down there somewhere. And basically the water flows through it that way. Because the pump on this engine is down there and everything flows to the pump on this engine. All the pipes flow to the pump. So that's a very easy way of working it out. So yes, I come up with the idea of taking this one pipe off and back flushing it through, so it's all coming through the engine block. And literally all I thought of the idea was just jamming the hose pipe into there, and the only place for the water that could possibly come out is either from the block or from this bit here. So I just got my brother to stick his hand over the pipe on the back of the block. And obviously the only place for the water to come out then was out of this thing, which made a massive improvement. So that was quite nice and good. Anyway, I'm interested to see what this thing looks like when it's running without the top cam cover off. So we're going to have a bit of a shot and see what it does. Oil might go everywhere, it might not. But we'll see. It'll also let me know if the oil pump on this thing is shot or not. Because if the oil comes up and it's running across the cam, you know, lobes relatively quickly, I'll know it's not too bad. But if it takes a while, we'll see. So I'll put my phone here and activate the keys. Put it on glow plug mode for a second. You'll notice I've got a nice glow plug down there where there's no bolt actually on it. Right, there we go. It should do. Let's fire it up. Awesome! Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it, that? Glow plug that's really cool. Alright. Well, that tells me that there's some oil going over the cams, which is nice. There's a bit of oil splatter going everywhere, but I don't recommend doing that with a fast revving engine. You've got to love the nice. It was nicely smoking just a second ago.
Shall we crack on before it starts hammering it down?
Yeah, let's do something because the weather's a bit naff. Alright guys and girls, you know, the weather, we've got some lovely clouds coming in, guys. And we've already got rain starting to come down. You can see it in the puddle. Okay, right guys. Hopefully in the next part of this video it'll be done. Okay, so that's the gasket put on. Should stop any of this nasty oil leaking around here. Got a problem with the damn hose here. This is split, which is what was helping cause an oil leak. I've got nothing to replace that with, unfortunately, so I'm just going to have to live with that as it is. And they're pretty difficult pipes to get a hold of. Citroen last time I went to it, or Fiat for that, Peugeot for that matter, I suppose. They didn't have any in stock, so I've got to try and adapt a pipe from this size here, just clamp it right because it's pretty tough, and adapt it to this one. Any pipe will do. My brother come out with that stuff there, but unfortunately it won't fit around it, so we'll figure something out. If you want, you can saw that off about here. Just watch me pipe. Yeah, and we're going to put the radiator flush in there now. We're going to fill the system up, put the radiator flush in there. If you want, move that, yeah, just unplug that. Should just pull off. It's only fish tank air tubing. They're always on really tight, unfortunately. Yeah, spin it round. That should do us good, that.
I've got an idea.
Okay.
Some of that clear hosing.
Yeah.
And other stuff.
Maybe the internal will work. Horrible to get into, unfortunately. Just going to put a Jubilee clip around it to hold it on. Easy peasy. Jubilee clip or just a tie wrap, zip tie, if it fits on good enough. I could even try use some heat shrink tubing if we've got any of that size. That would work perfectly well. It's only got to hold the oil in. It's not really got to hold any excess pressure. It's not like it's holding boost pressure or oil pressure. It's just gravity fed oil. Make sure you cut for my injector lines there, Ali. Yeah. Then it could be top mount chuck back on again and we'll run it around.